All right, this next video is going to be about risk management and risk assessment and what to do if something goes wrong. Number one thing as far as risk goes, if something is going wrong or you see a potential for something to go wrong, we need to stop doing what we're doing and make the scene safe. Just like in an EMR class, if the scene's safe, don't go in. If you're on a construction site, you're on an agricultural site and something isn't safe, you need to make it safe or you need to stop doing what you're doing because safety is number one. Especially in an environment like this, if you get hurt, you're almost out of luck a lot of times. They basically shut down the hospitals unless you're a coronavirus patient. If you go in there bleeding all over the place, they'll take care of you long enough to take care of the bleeding, and then they're going to send you home. EMS response is cut way back. Fire response is cut way back. I couldn't tell you the last call we had with the fire department. So just because you call 911 does not necessarily mean somebody's coming right now. So making the scene safe and being safe is important. So what should we do if something happens? Always remember your ABCs. Airway, bleeding, not breathing, and circulation. All right? Control that bleeding. If you find bleeding is a big issue in agriculture because we run around big machines, we work with power tools, we work with good chances to make something bleed. Number one thing, you got to make sure that the red stuff is staying inside the body, whether it's direct pressure, tourniquet, or whatever. Don't even start CPR if they're bleeding everywhere, because all you're doing if you start CPR is pumping that life-saving blood out of their body. So we want to make sure that we get that bleeding under control, then start breathing, then start your CPR and go from there. So call 911. Hopefully somebody will come. And just try and manage your situation as best you can. Most important thing, use your head. Wear your PPEs when you're out messing around on your four-wheeler. Think about putting on a helmet if you're going out to do something like jump over cars. Treat all those big machines with a lot of respect because they can hurt you. So be safe. Enjoy your break. Hopefully this minute will give you a little bit of a distraction from whatever it is that you're doing. Thanks. Bye.